Hey guys, I am over in Agadir, Morocco, and this town is kind of a big resort. It's definitely very attractive. It's kind of like the Miami Beach of Morocco, so it is very nice. It's very expensive. I'm actually staying at the cheapest hotel in Agadir City. Now, if you go to the north, there's another city called Tagamet. That's about 10 miles away. They had cheaper rooms over there, but I decided to go ahead and get not an expensive room, but one that is a little bit pricier than the places over there. And you've got a lot of kind of resorts here. You've got a lot of hotels, the kind of white structures that they have over here. You've got a lot of palm trees. I have seen a lot of foreign development here, like stores and think Carrefour, stuff like that. Shopping centers. So yeah, this is nice. It's kind of early in the morning right now, so there's not a lot of people out. And it's also Ramadan at present time. So it's kind of more quiet, as I mentioned in previous videos. But yeah, this is a step up from Astoria. Astoria is a small town. It doesn't seem to have, it's got the souk there, the Medina marketplace. And you've got a few hotels around, but this Agadir has a huge amount of development here. Foreign, you can tell it's kind of foreign money. There's Agadir Beach Club there. Now, I'm not sure as to whether, if it's not Ramadan, whether it's very busy here with foreigners or not. Or maybe it's, the end of the season, it's, in Europe, it's kind of it's a spring, but pretty soon it's going to be May, and it's basically going to be the summer travel season, in Europe. So I'm not sure when the high season here is in Morocco. I'll have to check on that. So it actually kind of reminds me of Tenerife, like south, like near Agadir, where they have a golf resort there. There's a golf resort. Go about a mile south of here, or a mile. I think it's a mile north. You'll see it on the map. There's a big golf resort there, and you've got some landscaped parks. Those are city parks with free admission there. In the center of Agadir, like it's kind of a city planning thing that they do. They have these little, gated off parks. Let's see if we can. Yeah, there's one of them. This one, I'm not sure if it's public or private here. Let's see if we can take a look here. Yeah, that looks to be the front of a resort there. Let's see if we can take a look here. Yeah, this is a nice resort. But yeah, this is, private. But they have these nice landscaped gardens, if you go in the center of the city there, that are much... Now, Marrakesh does have that as well, but not as many as here. And if you go, it's actually north of here. There's, in the other town, the surf town, there's these cliffs there with great surfing, huge waves. I saw in yesterday that there's huge waves at those beaches there. So if you like surfing, that's the place to do it over there. Now, this morning, the waves are not that big here. There's two women jogging by. I think they're probably from Eastern Europe. I'm not sure what language they were speaking, but they're not local. There's a lot of tourists here. Let's see here. So I'm going to take a left here and go up to the market, the souk. Somebody told me that there's a very large marketplace here. And I'm going to check that out. Grab some food. And over here you've got this kind of mountain place. Let's see if I can show you guys this. It's a mountain with some kind of, looks like a castle or something like that. Alright, I'm going to catch you guys later.